So welcome back again, and today's video is going to be like 12 hours. Last time 6 hours we done, and now it's time for 12 hours course. And today I'm watching Code with Harry Android Studio Development, and let's begin. It's like 11 hours 43 minutes, and I'll show you. This is what the time is. Like it's crazy, 11 hours 43 minutes, and now I started beginning. Like I want to test. Like, am I gonna get Code with Harry? You are great, bro. Within 43 minutes I made my first application. I usually know this how this runs, but as I want to begin this again, started doing that practically, and that got worked out. And this within 43 minutes I was capable of building an application. And yes, bro, yes, there was a lag that actually this 12 hours course, but it may be decreased to like 8 hours because there is a time pass in that between. And just Code with Harry, check it out. Like big time pass is there, but that should be there because it's not boring and the class is excellent and it doesn't look like class. It's going on a fun way, and that's what the update is. My first application has been done completely successfully. Well, it's been like 2 hours and I have to take rest. To buy that blue filter specs so that I could watch the screen for a long time. I know that my eyes are not straining, but for safety, because once you get sight it's gonna be permanent, right? So you may do something alteration, but we have to be in our safety. So I am taking a 2 hours. 2 hours has been completed, so I am taking like 15 minutes break and I'll continue again. Boom. So this is our next day, and today also I am ready for the. And yesterday I just completed 2 hours, and today I am going to finish at least 4 to 6 hours so that it could complete like 65% of the course. Yes, let's begin, and it's running on. Like usually what I do is I'll be watching the video in that monitor, and this is all-in-one PC. I'll be watching the videos and I'll be using the real-time applications over here, like looking at the video. But now I'm using the same one because there is not much to learn, and it's in the beginning session, so why there is no issue in that. And yes, that's what the thing. Let's begin. Yes, it's taking a lot of time. Let's continue today's video and meet you with the updates. So this is the coding part, which this all will be in the beginning itself. That these are default one, and we have to add the buttons and the text views according to your views. This is a simple program of converting kgs to pounds. This is the .xml file, and this has .java file. So this Android Studio has two parts. So this is the backend work, this is the front-end work, which is visually displayed for you. And this is the interface, and this is the blueprint of this. And look at off here. This is the design. If you keep design, only design will be there. Blueprint, only blueprint. So I prefer design and blueprint. And here we have three options like design, split, and code. So that the display changes. Split, like design and code. This is the only code. So you could do totally with coding. You could do totally with coding, but not with the design, because design doesn't work every time. And you have to do a code as well, because if there is a logic like 1 kg is equal to 2.205 pounds, so what we have to do is 5. So that's the code, and that's the formula which you have to learn, because universal, that is universal, and wherever you go 1 kg is equal to 2.205 pounds. And using that formula we can make the unit converter, and I made that as well. And let me show you the application which runs in my mobile and which is shareable and which you can upload in the Google Play Store as well. And it's only represented, which is visually seen, is easy to build because it's XML, and you can drag and drop the buttons and drag and drop the text view areas. And later on, when you want to add some code to that, then it's going to be some difficulty in that. If you don't have habituating of coding and you don't know the logics and you don't know the statements, then it's going to be a headache for you. So better learn the basic concepts of Android Studios For now it's okay and it's going well, and I want to confirm that I usually, if I watch the video continuously, it will be completing in just 12 hours. Obviously the course is like 11 hours 43 minutes, and if I continuously watch, it will be completing. But I don't watch continuously because you have to practically play that, and yes, that's what the time taking process. And still now I just have watched like 2 hours video only I spent like 2 hours watching the video, and later on real-time applications it will be differing and takes into 3 times because you have to implement, and in the video they doesn't show errors, but errors will be coming in the program, and they will be missing like semicolons and some kind of stuff like closing brackets. They are skipping in that part, and yes, it was okay, but for me there was a big problem. But I know the basics, right? So I could find the errors over there, and yeah, I could make that happen very easily. And without knowing basics, and I want to start an app, I want to build an app, that is not going to be possible. That's not going to be possible. So better learn some basics first before beginning. And what else more? Yes, better use 2 displays. I'm facing a lot of problem opening that video window and looking at the real-time execution. If you have 2 screens, or use a phone or a tablet for playing the video, and for the application use a laptop or PC, I would recommend that, because using in the one device doesn't make sense, and opening makes a lot of time, and you will be fed up with that. So better use that thing. Yes, this is the half day, and half day has been completed. Like I just completed the 2 hours of video. For sure I will be completing the total video as well. And yes, because only watching the video doesn't make any sense, because you have to do practically. Because like I would tell like usually which has happened with me personally, like I used to know answers, I used to know programs, I used to know everything, I used to keep in mind. But you have to know the real-time applications, like you have to execute that, you have to practice that code, so that you will be learning like what are the applications. And actually he told only some things, like I utilized all the screens, and I'll be showing you an example for that. Like I opened the XML view, and the person, he told like text view and the plain text only, but I personally used all this email, password, like so kind of stuff, phone, and adding you can add images here as well. You can have a web view, you can add a video view also. So so there will be some stuff which are related to that particular situation, and I will be using that in the real time as well. And that's for now, because in the college they tell that you have to remember, and remember makes sense, but those are just for the marks. Like when you come to the real time, marks doesn't make any sense, and you have to know the real time applications. And if we tell one something, we have to use that, and we have to do it in multiple ways to learn yourself, and that's what I am doing. So it's taking a lot of time, and it will be making, I think it's gonna make like 3-4 days for me to complete the course. Yes, but no worries, I will be completing it successfully. And for now, Code with Harry, good video bro, but there is a lag in between, the course is like 11 hours 43 minutes. It might be reduced to 7 hours 50 minutes or 7.5 hours, maximum 8 hours, because there is a lot of time pass. And yes bro, I feel that myself, it's okay, but I personally feel like that it's okay, and you can go with that, you can learn. And 11 hours 43 minutes is a very good course, and I usually got an idea as well. Yes, I recommend you, and thank you Code with Harry. Because of you I was learning it very quickly and very easily. I usually know that, but yes, that's what the thing is. Yeah, I'll be posting the link of Code with Harry in the description, you can check from there. And yes, I subscribe Code with Harry, I click bell icon, I click like, boom, because these are very useful, and I have done some kind of activities as well with paid courses as well. Those are very expensive. Instead of that, go with this, because he's working a lot and making making the video of 12 hours is very easy, but editing it and uploading it is a very big task, and hats off to you, bro. That editing a 12 hours video, in the sense you have to watch total 12 hours entire video again, so that's a hell lot of task. I understand you, and yes, all the best for the people who are watching this as well. Boom. I'm debugging it. It automatically opens. This is the final application. Like, you can change some modifications as well. That's it. These are the basic thing. So you could pounds, centimeters to meters, yards to acres, like so found, square meter to square feet, and using the formula we could do a lot of things in that, and we could count the electricity bill as well. Yes, we could do currency converter as well. I want to tell, like, do you recommend to watch 12 hours instance? I personally recommend, and go for that. Watch that so that you could learn some new kind of stuff, and this is very helpful. And recent days, he is the best one, and go for that. Link will be in the description. You can click that, you could directly go there, and you will be saving 12 hours for sure. And I will be guaranteeing you that. Actually, that's not my video, and he's not at all. I don't even know him personally. This is the first time I'm watching his videos, and you could go for him blindly. Like, you can listen like 12 hours. Spending 12 hours for that video is okay. You can go for that.